Greetings everyone, Heather here. Welcome back to my little space. I know it's been a minute again, but I thought I'd share a little, it's not little, it's a couple hauls from Unity. It's all Unity. So they've been definitely, I've been loving their images lately. So I know I've been gone for a while. I'm sorry. How's everybody doing? Work's been crazy here. So's the garden, and so are the weeds. I'm not really growing much, but weeds. So, and not the weeds that you smoke. It's like the bane in your existent weeds that creep into your garden and take over. And no matter what you do or how often you try to stay on top of it, it just takes over. So, anyways, moving on. So I did finally subscribe to Unity's monthly kit, and so I wanted to share that with you all if you're interested. If not, check out another video from somebody else. It's fine. Anyways, sorry. It's been a while, and I'm trying to get my footing back. I did lose my mojo there for quite a while, and I'm just slowly starting to get it back. Like, I've been actually scrapbooking, so that's a good thing. Anyways, here for the haul. So for what is it, for July was this kit of the month, and I absolutely freaking adore it. Just everything about it. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? And lots of yummies. And like, I have not had a chance to really play or look. Again, work has been insane. And these are the freebies. So let's pop into the freebies real quick. So, oh, adorable. Usually they include tags. Look at those cute tags. Is that it? That's it. Couple of cute purple tags. Love. Some little paper. Oh, I love this spiderweb one. That's cute. All these little cut aparts are so adorable. Look at them. How cute are those? Oh, I love those. I love that one. It's so cute. The coop is haunted. Act natural. Which I don't know if you can hear now, but our rooster is going off. We actually got a rooster. Oh, here's the examples. So cute. I love this card. And I love this image. It is just freaking adorable and oh, just adorable. And these are so cute. Oh, I might make a baby card out of this. Turns out I'm going to be a grandma again, or yaya is what my grandkids call me. My daughter that just got married is now pregnant. And so I need to make her a baby card, and her baby shower theme is going to be Halloween. So I'm like, these are cute for an image. So I might do, we'll see, a baby card with them. But these are so cute. I love them. Frankly, you're a treat. Just creeping in under wraps. Snake rattle and boot. That's cute. Doing a Halloween flyby. I love these. These are adorable. And the looks on their faces are cute. This is a beautiful image. And he's funny. Today's agenda: rest, hydrate, and cancel everything. That's my feelings lately. Oh, I love it. And I do love their stamps just because they're red rubber. And the images are huge. Oh, I love them. This is the flower one. Look how big that is. That's a huge. I don't even have any card bases. That's how behind I am on making cards. Oh, wait. There we go. Here's some watercolor cards. So this is a watercolor. This is like the 5.5, 4 1/4. So I mean, that takes up the whole image. So does the Santa. So you can make some real simple, beautiful cards. Anyways, sorry. Moving on, because I'm digressing. So, absolutely love it. Can't wait to create with it. Hopefully sooner than later. So there's that. And then, of course, they had a sale going on, and I snagged it. And with the sale, you know, I got some freebies. I do love their freebies. They're cute. I can add them to my scrapbook layouts. I do like those. And of course, they had the Summerween. And I couldn't resist them, so I did pick those up. I did get this one, the Petalboo. Super cute. Super good size. Came with 2 sentiments. And then I picked up the Little Booist. I love it because he's drinking a little sippy poo. Again, beautiful size. Perfect. Love it. And then, of course, I snagged Daisy Boohoo. This is so my daughter. There's little daisies around the head. She's my little boho baby. Boho Halloween baby. Ghosting in the Sunshine. I love the Dot chair. That is adorable. Let's see. And then while I was there, because of course they had a sale going on. So when they have a sale going, of course you have to splurge. I got this Honey I'm Buzzed because I need to send my card. My best friend just moved from here to Montana for a position so that she could retire early. And so I'm going to be without her for about 5 years, so I'm sad. But I need to send her this because she is my favorite bad influence. Her and I do get in a lot of trouble. So they're just so cute. And then, of course, I couldn't resist this Leave Me Alone Pissy Kitty. I'm trying to build up my Get Better or Get Well cards, and I just thought he was adorable. So I snagged him. And then during their sale, of course, some of their past Kid of the Month were on sale, and so I did actually snag one because I absolutely adore it. This one is from, February of 2025. It's called The Sweetest Spring. And I could not resist. The images are freaking adorable. Oh, I love the bunny, and the duck is adorable. Love the flowers. The heart is useful. The birds are super cute. God, I hope I'm in frame. So, it's been a while. Look at the size of those. Those are going to be so much fun. Look at the size of the flowers. Like, they're the wildflowers. Freaking huge. I mean, one card panel. That's all you need. Simple cards. Love it. Beautiful images. Love, 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 love. And then, prior to that sale, they had another sale. Again, more free. I love their sentiment strips. They're cute. So I got as you can see, I'm starting to love the images coming out from Unity. And so with that, I snagged this background stamp. Which one is this one? It's the barn wall background stamp, and I love that. It's gorgeous. Anything wood, I'm a sucker for. And then I snagged this beautiful Special Place, is what it's called. It's the Magnolias. Comes with 1 sentiment, beautiful size. That is so gorgeous. And then I snagged the Hoarding of Wildflowers because she is just so freaking adorable. I picked these for use. My gratitude is enormous. So sorry. I regret nothing, but kind of sort of do. I love that one. And she's a good size as well. Beautiful. Let's see. And then I picked up Coffee Is Not Enough. And this is pretty much how I am right now. for the past 6 months. This is my luck. And I rock it pretty good. Coffee is not enough. I need to be struck with lightning. Take it just 1 cup at a time. Unleash the joy. Just another day keeping it together. Yes, trying to keep it together because the brain is. Oh, let's not go there. Then I picked up this. It's called All That Grunge, and I am a sucker for splatter stamps. Love them, love them, love them. But the tire track, I could not resist a good tire track. Love that because I have my grandsons love monster trucks, and so I have a couple layouts I need to do, and I wanted to do a background with the monster truck tires. And then this was my first kit of the month for Unity when I joined, and it was the June 2026. That was my splurge for getting promoted. So I did pick that up, and I love every single image. Like, they are just knocking it out of the park for me right now. Like, I am completely obsessed. Like, I haven't even broken this open, and it's been sitting on my desk just because work. I'll have to share what's going on in another video, but I haven't even looked at the beautiful free samples for June. That's horrible. A couple more tags, 3 tags this time. Ooh, pretty colors, pretty summer colors. Love that. Although I'm not a fan of pink, not my favorite color, but I do like it. Pretty papers. I like those. Those are pretty. I'm not used to the shiny, glossy, smooth. I might have to work on that. And of course, here is the samples. I just love the ladies. I mean, they're just cracking up. They are just too sweet. And this is a beautiful image, but the ladies crack me up. Too fabulous to behave. That's it. Love the cocktails. The dog is adorable. This would be a fun background. I just want to color this so bad. And then the size. Holy cow. Like, the drink size is massive. So for the price that you get for a kit, I mean, that's a good deal. If you pull all 3 drinks, that takes up the whole card. So you'd have to do a landscape just to get all of the images in. So how just so they can take my money. They can take my money. So that's pretty much my Unity haul. Granted, that's been sitting here since June. But like I said, work has been insane. But we're almost through the insaneness and hopefully getting into back to normal, to where I can craft. But like I said, I've been scrapbooking. Honestly, I'm just playing catch up with my scrapbooking. I did purchase, not Unity, but I did purchase, more ATV gun tape. And then I did splurge on a new cutter, which is this one, which is the Creative Memories Guillotine, because the original one that I had, if I can even find it, there it is. It's a very old one that I bought off eBay years ago. It's this one, and I absolutely love it for photos. Still works, fantastic. Has like a little drawer for whatever you want to throw in there. The only thing I don't like about it is the marks. It only shows the basic grid, and I like 1/16 of an inch of a border when I do layering, and so I talked myself into this one. I do like it, and it does extend out to about 10.5 inches. So I mean, that's pretty good, but I only use this for photos thus far, and I could see myself using it for cards. I already got it dirty. Cuts beautifully. The only thing I probably don't like is that it's very lightweight. So I can easily toss it and throw it. Where this one is pretty heavy. I'm familiar with this one to where I line it up to a certain point with this to where I can cut my photos and have a white border. I'm still playing with this one. Like, I just got this, so I'm still learning how to cut and where I want to cut my borders. But I still love it because it's got the grid and it's more detailed, so I can cut my 1/16 of a border if I want to. So anyways, so yeah, that is my hauls for pretty much since June. I haven't really done anything since then. So I guess I will see you on the next one. I am looking for collaborations to get into. There's not many, like a lot of ladies that are not on YouTube anymore. So like, I don't know what's going on. Like, where'd everybody go? So if you know any good collabs, let me know. I'd be happy to join in. Besides, what is this? For the Love of Snowman. That's one, but it's too hot out right now, so I don't want to do anything wintry. Not feeling it. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one, and you guys have a good summer. Bye.